Good morning, sixth class children. Open your textbook, page 1984. Exercise 4D, page 86. Page 84. In previous class, we are doing this about sets. It is very easy to understand what is a set. Set of mathematics teachers, set of language teachers, set of planets, set of flowers, set of natural numbers, set of even numbers, set of odd numbers, set of prime numbers, set of like that. There are so many. These are all defined objects. These objects are called elements. And see, generally we write the elements. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the elements are written, listed, and enclosed with a bracket. Name the set A. We say this is a set of natural numbers less than 5. Set of natural numbers, first natural numbers less than 5 we say. So these are expressed. This is the way of writing set. 2 is only one even prime. Generally all prime numbers are odd, but except this 2 is an even number. All are odd, like this. See, without writing brackets, we can't say this is a set. This is only element, object element. We X belongs to set A like this. 2. So, like that, we write the sets in 2 forms. One is roster form, the other is set builder form. This is in the roster form. We see the elements. We know the elements. We can write the elements, and in set builder form, we write only its rule. In previous class, we discussed all. And in next class, about types of sets. Types of sets we are doing about. We are learning about types of sets. Types of sets. In types of sets, first one empty set. Empty set. It is represented by this symbol. You write 1 0 and cross it like this. Write 0 and write. Empty set, a set which contains no elements. A set contains no elements. Example, negative numbers in the whole number. The elements which are less than 0 in whole numbers. Generally, in whole numbers we start from 0, 1, 2, 3. All positives only, but we won't get negative numbers like this. 4 sides are triangle. We won't get. In triangle means there are only 3 sides. But how can we get 4 sides in a triangle? It is not called as a triangle. This such type of examples belongs to empty set. Next, single set, single turn set. Single turn set meaning is a set which contains only one element. Suppose 2 is example, 2 is an even prime. In the set only it contains only one element. The capital of India is Delhi, only one. The capital of our state Telangana, Hyderabad. Like if some states are two, it is not coming to single concept. Like see, this is single concept. Third subset given in your textbooks. Go through the textbook. Belongs, give reasons on let's see. Sentences true or false first A, and in B what we learn? Belongs, not belongs, okay. True or false like that. Here in roster form. Now in C we in previous class we learned this. Now it's given in your textbook. Finite, infinite. Finite. I am going to your textbook. Finite set, infinite set. Infinite set. Infinite set. Singleton set, empty set. Yes. Now I explain about these today, and tomorrow let us go to exercise. And equal sets, equivalent sets, joint set, like that. Oh. See, it is continued in 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, in 10th class also there sets. That much easy and important. Easiest job because we are all knowing these elements. We can give surrounding examples like that. Empty set, a set contains no elements in it. Just now I explained. Empty set, it is in the name only, a set which contains no elements. First write down empty set. Empty set. Symbol. Draw circle and cross. A set contains a set that contains no elements. No elements, no objects, no elements is called the empty set. Example. Negative numbers, negative integers in negative numbers less than 0 in whole numbers. In whole numbers. In whole numbers there are no negatives. A triangle contains 4 sides. We get only 3 sides and not 4 sides. So like that we give more also examples. Second, singleton set. Singleton set. A set contains only one element. A set contains only one element. Only one element is called singleton set. Singleton set. Example. 2 is only one even prime. And then finite set. Set contains finite set. A set that contains set that contains a set that contains that a set that contains countable countable of countable elements countable elements is called finite set. Finite set. Example, we can count. There is a starting and ending. In our 7th, 6th class, we can count the students, how many students are there in the class. Section A. Suppose 30 students. It is beginning, it has beginning and ending also. We can count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 dash up to 10 like that. So we can count the numbers. And when we are not countable, they are called infinite sets. ABCDs A, B, C, T, dash dash up to last word is Z. So it has beginning and ending also. But in whereas in infinite set, beginning is there, but there is no ending. Fourth. So you please remember, it has beginning and ending. Beginning and ending. But in infinite set, set. A set that contains unlimited, uncountable elements. Uncountable elements. Elements are members, anything, both are same. Uncountable elements is called infinite set. Infinite set. Example. It has beginning but no ending. Dash dash dash. Like this. In this set, it has beginning but no ending. Set of stars in the sky. We cannot count we cannot count. Such sets are called infinite set. It is in the meaning only. Infinite means we cannot count. Uncountable elements. It has no number. But in a finite number set, we can say there are 7 days in a week. We can count Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Like that we can count next months of the year. There are 12 months, January, February, like that. March, April, up to December. It has beginning and ending also. Such type of sets are called finite set. We have some number, we can count. Maybe 1000, maybe 1 lakh, maybe 1 crore like that. But we can count, it has beginning and ending. But whereas in infinite set, it has beginning but no ending. We can't say its number. We can't say its number. So, such type of sets are called infinite set. It is in the name only, we can easily understand. We can give easily examples. Empty, it is in the name only, empty, no elements. Empty. Our stomach is empty in the morning. Empty set. And singleton, it is only single element. And third, finite set. Finite, we can count. A set that contains countable elements. Infinite set, a set that contains uncountable elements. So, thank you children. Please go through these